going on, guys? Today on Tardy Productions, we'll be installing these foot pegs on the Yamaha Bolt. These are from Los Monkiis, and I am super excited to be working with him. We're probably gonna get some wheelies in today. I don't know, hopefully. We're on a closed course, so please don't do any of this at your house. You heard my spiel, cue the intro. They are here. Woo. Huge shout out to you, dude. Thank you so much for sending these out. Let's pull them out of the package, see what they're like. Dude, these outside of the package look beautiful. So I've seen these on other people's builds, and I never really saw them highlight the build quality of these. And man, these are really nice. This is one solid block of aluminum that they cut down into these, and it looks beautiful, and these look to have a lot of grip. Oops. Nice. These look so good. What's pretty crazy to me is that this is the only part on my bike that I've changed that is for the Yamaha Bolt. This is so nice. It's nice buying parts that are for your bike. On my Instagram, when I asked you guys what color you thought I should get, a lot of people chose black, and I actually really, I'm really happy I did get black because it looks clean. I think a color would not have gone with what I'm about to do, which I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek. You see it? If you see it, you see it. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. That'll be like next week or the week after. Alrighty guys, so Haley and I made it to the spot. Haley's been videotaping me for a little while, and I think I'm getting warmed up. I am still not good at wheelies, but we are gonna get there. Huge shout out to Los Monkiis and everything that he's done. He's been super nice. Make sure you guys go check him out. I'm gonna leave his link in the description. If you use my code, you get a 10% discount. Maybe it's 20%. It's 10 or 20%. It's TP code. Super simple, nothing big. But you use that, you get these foot pegs just like mine and start doing yourself some wheelies. It helps me because I feel like it keeps my foot where the brake is. So let's say like I'm trying to use my rear brake. Before my foot would slide around, especially when I would wheelie, my foot would almost come off the foot peg. But now it's locked on there. All right, let's try to scare Haley a little bit. See if she likes the wheelies. Now when I chopped the throttle a little bit, but I tapped that foot brake in it. That's what brought it down the initial way. Okay, we're gonna call it on that. I'm Aaron, this is Tardy Productions. I'm out. Yeah, that's what happens when you try to show off for girls. You get a little